are pleased to show you the 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, tow hitch, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, passenger airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.